Hello and welcome to Naples Motorsports. My name's Ron Ward. We had the same color vehicle we just sold a few weeks ago. Everybody was calling on it. Can't we get another one? Well, guess what, guys? It's back. Indigo blue with white stripes. Iconic 427, 480 horse motor. Done in the classic style. Absolutely beautiful. Car's brand new. Absolutely can't go wrong with this thing. Don't wait. Give us a call right now. As you know, we've been very successful with our BackDraft cars. I think last month alone we sold 7 or 8 vehicles. This one's not going to last. Wood steering wheel option, carpet center console, standard leather seats, leather dash, all the chrome accessories. On the underside, here's the 427, dressed up very nicely. Got some nice chrome accents on the inside. Chrome overflow tank, and I love this style of valve cover and air cleaner. Definitely kind of harkens back to the 1965 car. If you're searching for a BackDraft, there is nobody else that knows more about these cars that can help you better than we can. Give me a call, Naples Motorsports. I'm Ron Ward at 239-776-1310. Let's put this car in your driveway.